Hello and welcome to another lesson. Here we are going to be taking a look at let hoisting. What does hoisting mean? Hoisting means that variables defined variables defined in your code at the top can be initialized at any time, which means that you can use the variable before it is declared. That is what hoisting means in JavaScript. So if you declare a variable with var, it can be hoisted, which means that you can use that variable even before it is declared. But if you try the same approach with let, it is always going to give a reference error because you cannot use a variable without initializing it with let keyword. So which is the difference between when you declare a variable with var and with let? Let's take a look in the code editor to see how this works. Now, look at this. I gave an example the other time with car. Let me now do city name and do Lagos. And then this same city name, I will now want to declare it using var as the keyword. Now, if I come here inside my console and do city name, can you see that I'm getting Lagos? Which means that the way hoisting works with var is different from the way it works with let. Even though without having declared this variable, it has been using with var, it has been initialized, and that is why I am getting the output in my console in the browser. But if I try the same thing with let, let's see what is going to happen. Look at it. Uncaught reference error, cannot access city name before initialization, which means that I need to first declare this variable before I can use it. Now, let me now move it to the top. And then, can you see this now? Because I'm first declaring it, you can see that I'm getting the correct output. But if I bring it down, it is going to always give me the reference error. And the reason is because I'm trying to use this variable before initialization. So I need to first declare it if I'm using it. But with var, this will work, which is the way you understand the difference between var and let when it comes to hoisting in JavaScript. So one needs to first be declared before it will work, and the other will work even if you have initialized before declaring it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson. You can read more about JavaScript hoisting online. Thank you.